This is the world's most expensive smartphone. In today's times, most of the people want to buy the best and expensive smartphone. But not everybody thinks in the same manner, and some people buy smartphones only to use social media. But today, we are talking about the world's most expensive smartphone, which even the biggest of the businessmen in the world would think before buying. The most expensive smartphone in the world costs close to 15 million US dollars. This smartphone has over 500 carats of precious diamonds, which takes its price to 15 million US dollars. On the navigation button of the smartphone, there is a pink diamond of 7.5 carats, which makes it look even better. Because of the diamonds, the price of the smartphone is 15 million US dollars.